Yes, that's what I'm looking for. Get that thing out of there. Saranin, very soon. So Jabur, video. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another episode. Or welcome back to another video. I'm off today. So what do you do when you're off? You don't have nothing to do. Me and my wife, we're just here in the house. We've got nothing to do. So this video, it's going out to all you Chuukese out there. Thanks again for you guys tuning in to our new episode or another video today. Welcome back. For those of you who have been faithfully continuing to follow our journey on our YouTube channel, me and my kids, I want to take this time to thank you all. We cannot thank you guys enough for your just unwavering support and your love to our channel. So today, I'm really bored right now. I guess the only thing to do is just clean up the house, which obviously that's going to happen every day. Lily or my wife is going to do that. But at the same time, I'm going to enjoy this cup of coffee right now. I'm going to kind of mix up a little bit of Chuukese. If you don't understand Chuukese, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's just something that I need to incorporate in this video for my fellow Chuukese. Anyway, as I was saying, I don't normally drink coffee. Well, you know what? No, my bad. I drink coffee, but for the sake of this video, I'm just trying to make it more entertaining and try to act like a real good YouTuber and just enjoy the sip of taste of coffee. So. Back to where I was. Every day of our lives, we tend to take it for granted. Every day, so a lot of kids or a lot of people, they don't even have the chance to wake up the next day. But so I'm really thankful for myself and especially for my family, my kids, my wife, and our extended family, and for you as well. So be thankful for that. Today's video, like I said, I don't have anything really planned on or anything big that I want to do today. This YouTube thing, it's really exhausting. Like literally, this is really hard. You have to really commit yourself to continue to be on top of your game, and continue to come up with contents. And it's not easy. So, but just for you guys to know, our channel is basically, it's just to really have fun with my kids, with our church, our family, our extended family. And so that's basically what we do. And at the same time, because of you guys, we're very thankful, because you guys are really actually putting your time to watch our videos. So and also, in addition to that, part of it too is to promote our culture, our religion, our tradition. Not what you talk to, you get Micronesians, and may I check out the tipping life for the video. So, like I said, back to what I was saying. Thank you guys for really taking out your time to really put your support in this on our channel. So, thank you very much. So today, for those of you who have been watching our videos or some of our cooking episodes, I want to thank you guys for really following along. I'm not a good cook. Basically, everything that I cook or I do on our channel, it's basically what I like to eat, or what we like to eat, or we love to eat, and also it's just trials and errors, or how do you say it? It's basically I continually have to keep doing it just so I can master it. By all means, like I said, I don't know how to cook, or I don't go to cooking school and all that good stuff. It's basically just watching people, learning stuff from the internet, and then basically doing it in my own taste, or on my own time, and putting in my own. I would say my own. I don't know how to put it. Doing it on my own. I think I need a coffee again. Anyway, all the recipes or all the cooking styles, you can search it online, or do it, see for yourself on YouTube or on the internet. It's all over the place. But in order for you to have that passion, you have to love what you do. And so basically, whatever I do on our channel, or the cooking stuff, it's basically, like I said, we love to do it, or I love to eat, I love to do it. So that's what I'm going to do. So today, because like I said, I don't have anything planned to do, and I'm very bored, I don't have anything to do while I'm waiting for my kids to come back from school, I decided to do something. I've done it before, or I've done it several times. Like I said, I learned it from the YouTube channel. I learned it from the internet, and because I know that we, as Pacific Islanders or Micronesians or Chuukese, kids talk to some decided more seafood because it's in the nature. So I think it's probably best if I do it myself, and you guys watch it too, so you can do it on your own, and also put in your own see it yourself how it's gonna come out. So back to what I was saying. Cook crab. I'm gonna cook crab. It's basically it's gonna emulate the same process on how New Zealand's, or is it New Zealand? New Zealand or Fiji? No. Oh no, Singapore. Yeah. How they cook their crab. So I'm gonna do the same thing, except I'm gonna put my own ingredients. I'm gonna add my own flavors, and we'll see how it's gonna turn out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do that. All right, I'll see you guys outside. Alright guys, so we're gonna start with the cooking right now. We're just getting our stuff ready, so hopefully you guys can see it, okay? So let's go ahead and start cooking. Hope you guys enjoy this video. See you guys in a little bit. Alright. I have a visitor. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Welcome back from school. Oh man, sorry man, it's too small. Uneven. Too small. That's okay. It'll do. If you get the idea. Get the idea. Yeah. What? What? Yeah. Okay. Alright. Coming to. It's almost ready now. And I got the help from. You want to add a little bit of water? Just a little bit of water. Some more. Okay. Thank you. Austin is back from school. So Last touch would be this one.
Oh.
Guess what that is?
Eggnog.
That's egg. You stir it up a little bit. Stir them up, stir them up.
How long have you been working on this?
What?
When did you start on the crab?
Man. Can you pour the egg inside, please? All of it. Yeah. Thank you. Alright. So, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to run up and get me a plate. I mean, not a plate. Tell mommy to give you one of those big pans.
Okay.
Well, guys, I think it's just about ready. And we're just gonna garnish it with some good stuff. Let's see. Ooh. Yep. Alright guys, so this is the onion rings that we also did earlier. I don't know if you guys have seen it before on how we do the onion rings, but if you want to check that out, check out one of our old videos. Yeah, or if not, you know what? I did take some clips earlier on how I did the onion rings, so if you guys want to see it, let's just roll it back and see how it looks like. So there you have it. If you want to know how to do it, it's plain and simple. And this is how I did mine, or ours.
Austin,
Can I have some?
And I saw your bus. Oh, it's teacher or something. And then I saw these go look this out. Like, are you guys going now? Austin. And I saw your bus. Oh, it's teacher or something. And then I saw these go look this out. Like, are you guys going out? It's my turn for the whistle. And I opened my thing up. What is good, y'all? It's your boy Marlson. I just came from school, and today we are eating crab and onion rings. I know it might not be the best combination, but we do the Helen way. It's homemade onion rings. Yes, sir. And do you guys remember when we used to do this? When back in the old videos, we made homemade onion rings, and it's back for the 2020 season. You know what I'm saying? And Shout out to all people watching. And those haters, man. Don't dislike on our videos, or I hit you with my tumbler.
You guys hungry? We're hungry. Drips. Alright, that's the first one. Look at that. Nice, round and bulky. Okay, second one. Oops. He looks like a donut. Looks like a donut. But look at that. This is the stuffed onion ring.
Made by the M3E.
It's the one with the cheese.
Man, that's fast. 5 minutes and you're already done.
Ooh.
This one?
See? Look, it looks like a donut, but it's not a donut. It's onion rings. So let's take a bite. Mm. Mm. Oh.
Is it hot? Look at it. Wait, oh, right there. Ready? That. More.
Siagan mo.
Marcia rice to it. Cook it.
Zoom in into that food. Oh, no. Can you see that? Hashtag.
Did you wash your hands?
Hey.
And we get out what rice.
Look at that
Marcia,
food.
na rice ka mo ta.
13.
Oh, that you need to do the thing you always do.
Okay. Alright. I lost count.
Marcia, put the shag rice na.
Look at that. Look at that. Look.
Rosen, you gotta take. Huh? Rosen, you gotta take.
You have the ketchup? Give me the ketchup, Rosie. Look at that.
Oh, go. What is that one?
Yes. Oh wait, focus. That's great. That. Ketchup, all dip ketchup right here. Right there. Let's see.
What?
Oh my! That's a restaurant.
I thought you were gonna try it out. No, you gotta put it on now.
I don't know how. Never mind. I don't know what's supposed to do. Ah. Every sister right.
What's going on? I know.
Can you cook up, please? You do it for me.
Right.
So good.
Good?
I rate this a 10.
Huh?
The crab,
Right.
the 10.
Hmm?
The crab.
Yeah. What about the crab? Oh, this is the good stuff. Right here. Right here.
Some more?
Wow. Let's release your breath. want more?
Wow.
Alright. Man. I am so full. Täpän vet. Sausage on mött. Så är vi bort för typ video. Anyway. Yes. Så är vi bort för tickets. Så nu video. Hope you guys liked the video. Yes. Alright, so I hope you guys liked the video. Once again, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'm gonna go ahead and end the video tonight or today. Once again, I hope you guys learned anything from this episode. Alright, once again, you guys are awesome. It's ridiculous. Thanks, you guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. That's Dongeri Kevi. So, Bye bye.